SV Union High School and Junior College, Pune. Economics, Standard 12th. Presented by Dr. Inderjeet Kaur Ahluwalia. Chapter 9: Money Market and Capital Market in India. Part 1. Introduction. Finance is the backbone of an economy. It refers to the management of money. Finance is categorized as personal finance, corporate finance, and public finance. It includes funds needed by individuals, business houses, and the government for various purposes. The financial system of the country is responsible for the mobilization and allocation of funds. It helps in creation of wealth, which is vital or important for the economic development of the country. The Indian financial system comprises of financial institutions, financial markets, financial instruments, and financial services. This chapter deals exclusively with financial markets in India. Financial markets are an important component of the financial system. What is the meaning of financial market? Financial market refers to a market where sale and purchase of financial assets such as bonds, stocks, derivatives, government securities, foreign currency, etc. is undertaken. What are bonds? Bonds refer to debt instruments issued by companies or the government as a means of borrowing long-term funds. What are stocks? Stock constituting equity shares refer to shares of a company held by an individual or a group. What are derivatives? Derivatives refer to a financial security which derives its value or price from the underlying assets such as bonds, stocks, currency, interest rates, commodities, etc. Financial markets operate through banks, non-banking financial institutions, brokers, mutual funds, discount houses, etc. Financial markets include two distinct markets, that is, money market and capital market. Let us introduce these two markets one by one. Firstly, what is money market? Is a market for lending and borrowing of short-term funds. It is a market for near money, that is, short-term instruments such as trade bills, government securities, promissory notes, etc. What are trade bills? Trade bills refer to bills of exchange drawn on and accepted by a trader in payment of goods. What are government securities? Government securities refer to debt instruments issued by a government with a promise of repayment at maturity. What are promissory notes? Promissory note is a financial instrument that contains a written promise by one party to pay another party a definite sum of money either on demand or at a specified future date. Now, such instruments are highly liquid, less risky, and easily marketable with a maturity period of 1 year or less than 1 year. What is a capital market? Capital market is a market for long-term funds, both equity and debt raised within and outside the country. It is also an important constituent of the financial system. Development of an effective capital market is necessary for promoting more investments as well as achieving economic growth. The demand for long-term funds comes from agriculture, trade, and industry. individual savers, corporate savings, banks, insurance companies, specialized financial institutions are the suppliers of long-term funds. Thank you.